A day of my life in Chiang Mai. Nothing fancy, just work, food, training. But that's basically my whole life here. Quick breakfast before heading out. Camera on. Helmet. Let's go. Let's go to a place where I can actually focus. Ignore the motorbike. It's falling apart. But there is some magic to it. First stop, co-working space.
Everyday new.
Yeah, new นะ
Okay. ขอบคุณครับ
For 150 baht, you can sit here all day. And they're gonna bring you a free coffee. They can also bring you some food if you want. Work done, time to go. These Thai roads, I don't know, there's something peaceful about them. Motorbike, mountains, heat, it just works. Quick stop. Gotta grab some water.
Sawadee krap. One of them. How much? You have 20? Krap.
ไปไทยเหรอ
What?
ไปเที่ยวเหรอ
Muay Thai. Muay Thai. Not so far.
By the way, I'm heading to my second Muay Thai class. Yo, what's up, bro?
Here.
You see that lady?
Yeah.
Good thing I met her. I trusted Google Maps a little too much. And here we are. There is something unique about this place.
Sawadee krap.
In the middle of a rice field, with mountains in the distance, something really cool about training here.
Oh my God. I think I just got killed. The feeling is amazing. What can I say? I got my ass whooped like 10 times. I thought I don't have any more stamina and any more power, but somehow, you know, you have to get through it. It's just a beautiful thing. This is like a night market, yeah? Is it every Thursday or something? Every Friday? Okay, thank you. Kapong kap. Oh, okay. This looks nice.
Quick shower and heading out again. Yo, I'm starving. Gonna meet my friend at the mall and get some Thai food. Oh, there it is.
Rocking with my new Italian shirt.
Yo, how much did you pay for this?
I know it's $50, but
No, that was 50 baht.
no, it's
Unbelievable, look at
100
this.
baht, that's why it's
100
not in
baht?
our,
Ah,
yeah,
okay.
that's why it's not in our challenge.
Yeah.
It's overpriced.
Yo, that's a sick shirt for 100
is,
baht, and I want that shirt.
Check the material.
Jesus. Thank you. Jest my cheek.
Wiesz o co chodzi, sprawdź na baget.
Nie.
To jest takie zachowanie. No, jak wrzucasz kraby, zbieracze krabów, poławiacze krabów, jak wrzucają kraby do pudełka, do baketa, czyli do wiadra, to kraby próbują się z niego wydostać, spinają się do góry. I zawsze ten, któremu się uda wyjść na samą górę, jest ściągany przez resztę na dół.
Food was great. Good meal, good company. Heading home. And a quick 7-Eleven stop. That's tomorrow's breakfast.